Hi, Barbie.
Welcome to my house. I'm so happy to live here. Please come in. I can't wait to show you my home.
Your house is so pink.
Yes, I love pink. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. This is the hall.
It's nice and clean.
Thank you. Please take off your shoes.
Okay, no problem.
This is my living room.
Wow, it's big.
I watch TV here.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love movies, and I read books here too.
The sofa looks very soft. I like this color. It looks great.
Yes, sit down. This is my bedroom.
It's beautiful. So pink again.
Yes, pink is my favorite color.
Your bed is so big.
I like to sleep and dream here.
Do you have many dresses in your closet?
Yes, so many dresses. Here is my bathroom.
It's shiny and bright.
I take a bath every evening.
Do you have perfume here too?
Yes, and soap and shampoo.
It smells very nice.
Now we are in the kitchen.
Oh, I like this place.
The kitchen is not very big, but I have everything I need. A sink, a dishwasher, a microwave, and a refrigerator. I cook breakfast here every morning.
What do you cook?
Pancakes and coffee.
Yummy. Can I try?
Of course, Ken. Sit down and eat. This is my garage.
Wow, you have a pink car.
Yes, it's my favorite car.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I drive to the city.
It looks very clean.
I wash it every weekend. Let's go to the backyard.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I have flowers and a small pool here.
The flowers are beautiful.
Thank you. I water them every morning.
Can we sit here and talk?
Sure, Ken. Let's sit and enjoy the sun.